let's look at the specific technique we recommend to evaluate the flavour of a beer sample. First thing to look at is how we're going to grip the glass. We're going to balance it on our finger and put our hands around like that. This is a technique that allows us just to remind our brains that we're evaluating beer and not drinking it. Second thing is we're going to spin the glass around at 45 RPM to help release the volatile components, the aromas from the beer. So now we've got it spinning. First step is to smell the beer, but not too close. In fact, right now I'm smelling the beer from a distance. There are certain flavours I can pick up even when the glass is some way away from my nose. For example, the light struck character and the musty character from trichloroanisole. I'll move the beer slightly closer and then eventually take a single sniff of 1 second duration. That's the first stage in the tasting technique. In the next stage, I'm going to go back in and take a 2-second sniff. This gives me a slightly different perception of the beer. Now I'm going to cover the glass with my hand to concentrate the aromas and then take a 2-second sniff. In the next stage, I'm going to take the sample into my mouth and then breathe it down through my nose. I'll do this by holding my nose and then taking the sample in, like this. This allows me to detect a different range of aromas than by smelling up my nose only. Finally, I'll taste the sample, focusing on the non-odour aspects, the tastes of sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and savoury. So that's our standard technique. We use this in every sample, every flavour, and then we find the best places to identify those flavours based on how they react in this technique.